Lemonade marmalade. Lemonade marmalade. You're my babies. Oh, look, Lemonade. He likes looking at the garbage truck. Lemonade's always like that. Oh, the monster truck is out there. You see that, Lemonade? You see the monster truck, baby? Mama loves y'all. Guess where we're at? I give you a hint. Still no help. You know what's sad? I got family members, not pointing any fingers, that actually own a moving company. But it is what it is. But anyhow, it's just me and Brandon. Looks like it's been raining off and on. Did you turn the light on? 71 degrees. At least I don't have to worry about my stuff running. I'm still considering leaving everything and just saying, woohoo! I love the echo in here. All right, home sweet home. Oh. Okay, here we go. Home sweet home. Don't see me. Don't look up my blouse. Be nice now. Did I just say that? Yeah, you can. Okay. The party's over. Ooh, the ghosties are still here. Oh. It looks like we're gonna have to maybe sell the furniture because that person didn't show up to carry it over here. But it is what it is. Furniture's old. My brother gave it to me, so between this and worrying about Bright Eyes the cat, I don't know where we're going. I tried to keep my videos upbeat. Oh, yeah. As Mr. Bud would say, you want to see a woman in circles? See Terri in circles! Oh, my God. Fun, fun, fun! Terry's in the house. The woman's in the office probably watching me on the monitor saying this woman has issues. Isn't this fun, baby Brand?
Oh, it's fantastic.
I know, right? That's what we need. One of those. That north trail right there, that'll work. Even that Sunseeker. Oh, God, I can see me trying to park that thing. Back to blue. All right. This bike's better be careful when piling these up or we're going to have an avalanche. Go ahead. Remember to kind of keep everything focused over here. Well, but just 2 people. We got a lot more.
We're not too bad.
Leaving this for some kind of furniture. I don't know what. Oh my God. Oh my God. Deja vu. God, that looks... The ticking of that timer on the lights will drive me nuts. Hey, Lucky Cheryl, do y'all want to come over for some coffee? Running an extension cord to the office here from my coffee pot. Maybe they won't notice. Woo! Live when this is over with. This old bread box. Look at this. Terri with a knife. Now this is scary. Do not play with knives, y'all. Mason, put up your knife. Rick. Can't believe you sent Mason a knife. He's gonna hurt himself. Anyway, we're gonna finish up here And it feels so good in here. So I don't have to worry about my record albums running or anything like that. I know this video vlog is boring. Woo-hoo! Hey, Lady in the Altus, check out Terri, T-E-R-R-I, in circles. All right, y'all. The saga continues. Oh, yeah. Crap, I meant to click picture. The place in Deer Park can't take her either. They do not take cats. The woman called back. They're mostly for dogs, and they have 2 cats that pretty much take control of everything, and they won't take her. The woman was nice, but brief, and they just won't take her. I don't know what to do, y'all. And the Pasadena one is not a no-kill, so I don't know what to do, baby. What am I gonna do, Bright Eyes? This is really hard because of the situation here. Marshmallow and lemonade, and marshmallow's the dominant one. And what is it gonna be? Me, my son, and 3 cats and kittens if she's pregnant in my truck. God, you gotta do something soon. Why is it the people that want to help is the people with the least? I don't know if she's pregnant or not. She might just have a little pot belly. I don't know. All of this is really bad timing with everything going on. God, something stinks in the air. Is that good stuff in my mouth? Marshmallow. I'm losing it. Maybe I never had it. Bright Eyes. We have to be out of here early part of March. I'm not able to hold a job. I've tried. My job was raising my kids and having a special needs child and being a wife, but apparently that wasn't good enough for somebody. It's been a survival game since 2013, but this ain't about me. It's about this little one right here. If I bring her in, it's gonna... I don't know what to do. I know some people are saying, it's just a stupid cat. It's not a stupid cat. It's a living being that God created. It has a little heart and a little soul. Stay out of the road, okay? She's tiny. You need a bath and some flea medicine. This really sucks. And y'all wonder where I get my channel name, Terri in Circles? Because that's my life. I really want to help her and I can't. I feed her and I love her and... I'm sorry, y'all. Y'all don't need to see this. I can't always be funny, Terri. But anyway, y'all keep praying that the angels watch over and protect her, and the big cats stay away, and that she finds a home. I'll talk to you later. I'll talk to you later, White Eyes. White Eyes. I bet you'd be a good snuggle bunny, huh? You'll be a good snuggle bunny. Say, hey, woman, I'm trying to eat. Bring it over here. Come on. Find the food. There you go. There you go. Go get your food, pretty girl. She's tiny. I don't know if you're pregnant or you just got a little pot belly. I don't know. all we want to do is eat. You won't leave me alone. Oh, you want to say hi to everybody? Say hi, everybody. Stay out of the road. Oh, bright eyes. Bright eyes. Bright eyes. Hey, y'all. I just dropped my kid off at school. I gotta go take these chairs to storage. God, it's raining this morning. And cold. But I'll be right back. I'm almost out of gas. I got this bad thing about, and you know what my life is? If I run out of gas, I have absolutely nobody to call for help. Be right back, y'all. The good old storage. I brought a couple of dining room chairs in here. Anyway, I wanted to talk about, Bright Eyes. Thank you all for your comments, your prayers, your text messages, everything concerning her, your suggestions. But I needed to explain some things. I'm sorry. Anxiety's up a little bit. It happens when you have this disorder, and sometimes you just get downright. Breathe, Terry. Okay, Terry in circles. But anyway, Kathy, thanks, sweet lady, suggested calling the shelters back, asking if they have a fostering program for cats. I'm looking it up online. I just wish we lived in a world where animals wouldn't have to pay the price for our mistakes. A lot of people say, why don't you just take her in? Okay, a lot of y'all don't know my circumstances, and there's a fine line, oh yeah, on YouTube. There's only a handful of people that know a lot of details, but I love all of y'all, and the circumstances are, I'm screwed. No, God's got this, but we don't know where we're going. My family's not stepping up, but it doesn't surprise me because this has happened before. Have nowhere to go. I can't work. I've tried. It about killed me. My son works part-time and goes to school, and I'm not coming in. We have been through hell and back since 2013 to get that boy's education, and he's not quitting now because he has even offered to completely quit his education and walk away from it to get a full-time job to take care of his mama, and it's not happening. I won't let him. Sorry. Okay, we're talking about Bright Eyes. I can't take her in. One is to have lemonade and marshmallow. The others, we don't know where we're going. I have to worry about diseases. I lost a cat about 15, 16 years ago named Chase that my sister gave me. He was a stray. Sweet as can be. Had a fetish for brooms. Lemonade reminds me of him. He loves brooms. Most cats would hiss at him. Chase loved brooms. Chase got real sick. Not long after my sister, we only had him probably a couple months, after my sister had given him to us. I had Christmas way back then. It was a miracle from God that he didn't get sick too, because they shared the same litter boxes, food, they slept together, they licked at each other, they were buddies, they were brothers, you know, Christmas and Chase. Chase got real sick. I took him to the vet. He had feline leukemia, which is AIDS in cats and felines. He bloated up. He had fluids all in his body. I had to have poor Chase put down. The doctor told me around 2000, 2001, get prepared because your cat Christmas is going to get this. There's no way he can't get this. It's very contagious. Well, God knew that years later when I was homeless that I'd need that cat. He was good for my anxiety and panic disorder. Christmas never did get it. But if I was to bring Bright Eyes in, as much as I want to bring her in, I don't even know where we're going. It might be my son and I and lemonade and marshmallow in a truck. I'm risking diseases, but I'm trying my best to take care of that cat, and I feel so guilty. I've asked God to forgive me because I feel I am letting her down. I'm feeding her. I'm loving her. I check on her 1 o'clock in the morning. Last night I was hearing cats outside hissing and fighting, praying to God it wasn't her. I ran outside, But that's why I can't take her in. I have to think of lemonade and marshmallow. I let her in briefly yesterday, but they weren't in there. That's why I can't take her, y'all. I just wanted to clear that up. I'm going to try the fostering thing, get a hold of a few more people, and it might come down to I can't do anything but love her and feed her while I'm still at the apartment, which is approximately 2.5 weeks. She needs a home. She does like being outside, but maybe she's just one of those cats that will always be outside. But I'm worried that she might be pregnant, and some of y'all said in the last video that she might be. So I don't know, y'all, but I just wanted to clear that up, why I can't take her in. I love animals. I love them so very much. God, I love them so much. I wish I had a piece of land. I'd have cows and everything, horses, and I would hire cowboys to help take care of my horses. Oh, yeah. But anyway, y'all, I got to go get gas in the truck, and I love y'all. Please keep praying for Bright Eyes and for us. It means a lot. Couldn't make it without you guys. Y'all are my family. But I guess I'm just going to keep this a short video. So I will say, woohoo! Keep on keeping on. I'm trying to take my own advice, which I usually fail at. And, like, subscribe. Click that little alert button bell. I need watch hours, y'all, so if y'all could play my playlist, that'd be awesome. But this isn't about me. This is about that beautiful cat, Bright Eyes. I'll talk to y'all later. Back. She's out there eating, but there's a problem. I'll show you. Hey, Bright Eyes. Hi, baby. I think Bright Eyes, hey, baby, went and got herself a boyfriend. You want some food? Come here. Come here. Are you Bright Eyes' boyfriend or brother? Oh, God, this is too much, y'all. What are they gonna do when I'm gone? What's your name, huh? Okay, I'm gonna back off and let you eat. Bright Eyes, well, at least you're not by yourself. At least you got a friend. That makes me feel better. Hey, Bright Eyes. Hey, pretty girl. Wanna come out? Oh my God.